Hello, everybody. I hope you can see and hear me fine. I hope I set this up correctly. I've been switching out some equipment, but I am in training mode today. So I thought I'd come on here and Angela Valentine, Google certified trainer. I feel like training today. So I felt like I wanted to come on here and just drop a nugget or two of training. I think I'm going to do a little bit more of this and just kind of take it little by little. Um, but I just wanted to show you, because I got somewhere to be in just a few minutes, but I just wanted to show you one or two things. I don't know if some of you may remember when I was doing Tech Tips Tuesdays, and I had a group of people that I was training every Tuesday. It was a lot of fun. But anyway, I want to bring back some portion of that, but it's going to be a little bit better. But I just want to show you one of the things, one of the first things that I want to teach in that session going forward. And let me just share my screen real quick. I want to, first of all, ask you, how many of you know about cloud storage? Okay, that's free storage that's available to you when you have certain accounts, which probably most of you already have. Um, and also, how many of you are paying for storage on your iPhones or your Android phones? And what if I told you that you never, ever, ever have to pay for extra storage on your phones? And if I could show you how to do that, would you be interested? Okay. Um, Also, I want to introduce to you how you can get a free version of Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, OneNote, a few other Microsoft products, as well as Google apps. You probably already know about your free Google apps that you get, but you may not have known how to get a free version of, I mean, the real, like Microsoft Office products. I want to show you how to do that. Um, and I'll take some time to do that in the tech class that I'm getting ready to set up. And I want this to be something that I will do like in a Zoom or a Google Meet. I want to show you how to launch those things right inside your Gmail account. Um, there's so many cool things that are coming down the pike that I just got to get it out and I got to share it with you. So, what I'd like for you to do, if you're interested in learning those kinds of things, I need your email address so I can notify you when I'm going live with that kind of training. So, if you will either in the post below in this live session, or let me turn this off because I've done all the things on this little list. This is a part of a class. What you're seeing here, this chart, is a part of a class that I do, and it's got a lot of good nuggets in it. But I just had one chart where I show all my favorite things that are really free. I love the word free, and if I can tell you about free stuff, I want to pass that on to you. But very quickly, if you will just let me know that you'd like to be a part of that conversation or that training session that I'm going to have coming up where you can get all these free apps. And mostly, I want to let you know that those apps are good if you're working from home. A lot of people are doing remote work from home. The storage, the Microsoft Office apps, the Google apps, as well as I'll share also the video conferencing apps. A lot of those are free right now too. So if you don't have your arsenal of all these cloud apps and programs, let's get them situated. Let's get them under your accounts so you have access to them, okay? And let's learn how to use them. So let's start with that. So if you're interested in being a part of that training, let me know. Ping me in Facebook, put a note in the comments below this Facebook Live, or reach out to me, or go to advalentine.online, my training website. Sign up for that newsletter, not the newsletter, but you get a free download of the video conferencing tips. And if you're on my mailing list, I'm going to send something out to say, hey, I'm getting ready to start training. And that's my son in the background. And if you sign up for that, you'll get the notification of when I'm going to do the Zoom or the Google Meet. And we'll get on training and we'll start doing that. Now, the cool thing about the training that I'm going to offer, It's not just you watch me do it. We're hands-on in all of my training sessions. And then you'll get your apps. You'll walk away from the session with your information, with your apps, with your accounts. We're going to set all that up in the training session so that when you leave the training, you're ready to go and you're ready to roll with whatever it is that I'm teaching. Okay, cool. Let's do it. If you're interested, just let me know. Thanks. My 5 minutes are up. I want to try to do these in 5 minutes or less. Challenge myself. Okay, cool. See you next time. Have a good day.